I know many of us we might have come across this new money printing niche, this new money platform that people are into these days, which we all know as AI automation. Welcome to class today. My name is Itino Peter, and today I will be telling you some truths few people or no one would tell you. Now, there are some hidden truths, hidden facts about this YouTube AI automation that people might not tell you, or because what they care about is not your own growth, it's not your own you making money, it's about them having students in class, having people that they claim they are students. What they care about is your own money that you will pay for learning. Number one thing that I want you to know is no AI tool is free. Now, before we dive further, you might think, oh, ChatGPT is free, Gemini is free, Grok is free, accepted. But if you really want to go deeper into this AI, you will know that sometimes when you are creating with all those AI tools, there is limitations for them. Fine, you could be able to generate your scripts through all those apps that I've mentioned earlier. Now, let's now go to the features, the videos or making of the images or the making of videos. Now, if you are able to generate the script, you will need features. Fine, let's accept it that Leonardo.ai is free, but you know there is what we call credits on these apps, whereby there is a limitation for how many images you can create per day. Now imagine you in your script you need almost like 20 images, whereas Leonardo cannot create more than five. Your credit on Leonardo.ai cannot create more than five images per day. Are you going to wait for 4 days before you are able to generate your complete images? No, it aren't done that way, right? Now, you might say, it doesn't matter. It matters. You're just starting out. It is okay, fine. It is normal for you to start anyhow, but you know within yourself that you don't continue anyhow. InVideo might be free for you to generate your videos, but do you know what we call watermark? I've never created any free videos on iVideos and there won't be watermark on it. Before you jump at that class, before people will tell you that, oh, people are not making money on AI, know that you yourself you will spend money. There is a certain amount of money you will spend before you making money. That's just the first aspect of AI creation. Then the second aspect I want you to understand is this: people will come to you, your teacher might come to you that I got this channel monetized in 2 weeks. I got this channel monetized in 3 weeks. I got this channel monetized in 1 month. And you feel that, oh, if my teacher can do it, I can do that as well. Let me tell you the truth. Let me tell you something here. Majority of all these channels, they are being bought monetized. If I'm not a first hand, if I haven't have a first hand experience, I myself would think it's a lie. How did I got across this? I have a friend. We met in camp, then distance. One day I was going on TikTok, then I come across his videos. I was like, oh bro, thank God. I want to learn this thing. You know, he specifically told me before we start anything, I need to buy a monetized channel. I felt like, oh, no problem. If it is 100K, it's something I can just close my eyes and buy. He said good channel range from $350 upward. I felt that maybe he's trying to cheat me, Then there is somebody that used to post stuff like that on status. I went to meet him. I said, bro, Alpha, how much do you sell this thing? It all was like $600. Now let's convert those currency to Nigeria, to Naira. $350 at last year it was close to like 360,000, 350,000. This year I think the dollar price has dropped, which is let's say roughly around 350, 330. That's for $350. When you're talking about $600, you know how much it will be. Imagine a beginner, somebody that does not have the capacity, you that you don't have the money to subscribe for ChatGPT monthly fee or subscription. Are you ready to spend such amount of money to buy monetized channel? Now they will say, okay, you can do it. Yes, you can do it, but it is time tasking. Before you create your videos, before you get YouTube requirements, because for you to get monetized on YouTube, you need to meet two requirements. Number one, you must have 1,000 subscribers. Number two, your short videos must have over 10,000 views. Your long videos you must have 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube before you can get monetized. So it's like that. It could be simple, but it's not simple. Before you can get those milestone, let's not lie to ourselves. It takes some people before they get 1,000 subscriber, it take years, let alone watch hours. Your first videos, you might be lucky that your first 10 videos might go viral. You might be lucky, but that's just 1 out of 10 situation. Your first video might not go viral, your number 100 videos might not go viral. Imagine you do something over and over again, making it your 9 to 5 with the hope, with everything that you want to get monetized, you want to start making money on YouTube, and after 6 months you're not making nothing. You would be discouraged. That's the fact, because content creation is not a side hustle. Let's not lie to ourselves, it's a full time. I remember a day I spent a whole day creating just 2 minutes video. That's it. It happens like that sometimes. Then the number two truth I want you to understand is this: your teacher might create a new channel ranging from a 0 subscriber, and maybe in a week he will now bring the screenshot that he now got, let's say, 2,000 subscribers in 1 week. You feel that, and he will tell you some principles, some procedures to no, he might say, okay, you need to buy this article, you need to buy this procedure for see, there is no procedure for anything. The procedure is two things. Number one, he has a community somewhere else. So that community might be ranging from 5K to 10K members. All he will do is paste his channel on that group, then ask people to follow him, and boom, subscribers start flying in. That's how it works. Then the number three things that you need to understand is, if you cannot put in the hard work, number one, if you don't have the community, two, number three, then your money needs to speak for you. How? By running ad on YouTube. Simple. That's how subscribers are being built. That's how watch hours can be gotten. So I'm not saying this to discourage anyone. I'm not saying this to make anybody back down. No. If you are convinced that it's what you want to do, it's what you can do, go for it. But that's just the truth. Is I'm doing it, and I'm doing it for free. Yeah, but my result is different. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not yet monetized, but in my little time doing this AI automation, those are just the little things I myself have come to discover. So please don't allow anybody to bobo you. Don't allow anybody to sell any course for you. That's how it works. Thank you. We see you in next class.